Hello everyone, so this is the first video of Python Fundamentals series in which we are going to cover, obviously as the name suggests, Python Fundamentals. So in this video what we are going to do is we are basically going to set up our system for Python's development. We are going to install Python into our system. So let's talk about versions first. For installing Python you need to visit this python.org download. And over here you can see this chart. This chart is basically showing you the life cycle of each version of Python. Each version of Python goes through 4 phases. The first one is pre-release phase, in which the Python 3.15 is currently, and then bug fix phase, and after that security. So bug fix phase is of I think 2 years, and then the security phase is for remaining 3 years. So every Python version have a lifespan of 5 years, and then there is end of life. So if any version is end of life, so it means there will be no more supports are going to be provided for that particular version. On the other hand, in security, only security related updates will be there. There is no bug fix release will be there. And into bug fix phase, it is the phase after release where your versions changes rapidly. So in this particular chart you can see there is 3.13 and 3.14 are into bug fix phases, and they are basically the latest one. I already have 3.14 installed into my system, so I am going with the Python 3.13 for this demo. For installation you first need to download its installer. For that you need to go to downloads into Windows section, and over here there is a stable release section into which you can see Python 3.14 is into stable release. But for this demo we are going to install Python 3.13 11, which is the latest one into 13 series. So we are going to install it for Windows. Firstly download its installation file. With it, when you open this file, it is going to give you this option, customization and installation, or the other one. For now I'm going to install with the default settings. So it is installed into your system. It is not going to take much time. So let's now check whether it's installed properly or not. So here you can just check what are the Python's versions that are installed into your system. So you can just check it by using py-list. So there are 2 versions that are installed into your system. By default my system is using 3.14. so if I type just Python, it is going to open the interface for Python 3.14 version. Let's quit it, and if you want to open Python 3.13, then it would be like this. Now you can, whatever you will write over here, it is going to work for Python 3.13. Now it's easy over here in command prompt, but when it comes to projects and all the dependencies for that particular project, that time VNV comes in. So for now, just to keep it simple, you can just download the file, install it, and check into command prompt whether your installed version is there or not. That's it, your Python is installed. For first program, let's create a program over here into which we are going to write your name. So let's say first name, and it will be a user input. So we ask user to enter your first name and space, and then there will be last name, and here we are going to write last name. After that we are going to print hello world, how are you, and first name is last name. Over here I'm I'm going to show you one feature of Python, that is the formatting, string formatting. So if you add f into front of the string, you can write the variable's name directly into the string. This is going to replace with whatever the user has input into these two prompts. So this is our basic program, first program of Python. You can just save it with the name, let's say program1.py. Save. And to run this, you just need to write Python program1.py. Enter your first name, your last name, and yeah, yes, hello world, how are you, Mayank Sharma? So this is very basic setup that we need to do before starting with Python fundamentals, and I'm using VS Code. You can use whichever the editor you are comfortable with, whichever the IDE you are comfortable with. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you.